Driving 10 speed and uplift instant melody. Wake up with the sun, ready for the run. Every step I take closer to the one. Sweat and dedication, pushing through the pain. With every move I make, I'll break the chain.
杜卡迪赛道日在台中大丽宝引发了广泛关注。这不仅仅是一场赛车活动，更是一场体现杜卡迪品牌精神的盛会。杜卡迪以其卓越的性能和独特的设计，受到了全球车迷的追捧。这项活动让车主们能够在安全的环境中体验爱车的极致性能，体现了杜卡迪对无因速度与安全的双重追求。参与者不仅能在赛道上尽情驰骋，还能感受到杜卡迪品牌所传递的激情与自由，这正是杜卡迪精神的真实写照。这样的活动不仅促进了品牌与消费者之间的情感联系，也让更多人有机会亲身体验杜卡迪的魅力。在台中丽宝的杜卡迪赛道日盛会上，杜卡迪各车系的展示绝对是爱车人士不可错过的亮点。从经典款到最新型号，每一辆杜卡迪摩托车都以其独特的设计和卓越的性能吸引注重人的目光。无论是极具风格的街车，还是速度与激情兼具的跑车，甚至越野车、电子鸟 Super Sport， 每款车型都在这场活动中闪亮登场。参与者不仅有机会近距离欣赏这些摩托精品，还能对比不同车款的性能与特点，帮助他们在选择合适的骑行寸半时，做出更好的决策。杜卡迪的展示不仅是一场视觉显验，更是摩托车爱好者们相互交流、增进了解的完美平台。在台中大丽宝举行的杜卡迪赛道日，为车迷朋友们打造了一个实力切磋的绝佳平台。在这里，各路车主不仅能够在安全的环境下尽情享受速度与激情，还能与其他车友进行1对1的实力较量。赛道上的每一次超越，每一个弯道的挑战，都是对驾驶技术的考验，也是进一步提升自我的契机。这样的活动不仅满足了重机爱好者对速度的渴望，更让他们在竞技中建立起深厚的友谊。杜卡迪赛道日不仅是交流技术的平台，更是一个推广安全驾驶的重要场合。活动中，经验丰富的资深车友会分享他们的驾驶心得与赛道上的安全注意事项。这些宝贵的经验对机骑手来说尤为重要。透过分享，车友们不仅能吸收到更多的赛道知识，也能提高自我安全意识。这种经验交流和知识分享，让赛道日不仅仅是一场速度与激情的狂欢，更是对安全驾驶文化的有效推广，从而提升整体赛道驾驶的安全性。许多车友在活动后分享了他们的心得，形容这次活动不仅仅是速度与激情的竞技，更是一次技术与勇气的考验。一位参赛者提到，能够在这样高规格的赛道上驾驭杜卡迪，是每个重机爱好者的梦想成真。参与者们也感受到杜卡迪社群的热情与友爱，无论是新手还是老手，都能在这里找到共同话题，互相学习与成长。这种独特的赛道体验不仅提升了他们的驾驶技术，更加深了对杜卡迪品牌的认同与热爱，让每一次驾驭都成为一段难忘的旅程。
the shadows where doubts may creep, I find my strength, I refuse to weep. With every fall, I learn to stand. In the face of fear, I take command. Through the storms that try to break, I'll rise again for my own sake. With fire in my soul, I'll light the way. In this journey of life, I'm here to stay. Feel the power, it's building inside. With every heartbeat, I won't hide. No more chains, I'll break them free. In this moment, I am me. I'll rise up stronger, no holding back. My head held high, I'm on the right track. In the rhythm of courage, I'll find my song. In this dance of life, I will belong. Every scar tells a story, every tear a lesson. In the journey of healing, I find my progression. With the light in my heart, I'll face the dawn. In the echoes of hope, I'll carry on. And strife, I'll find my way. In the strength of my spirit, I'll seize the day. With passion ignited, I'll chase my dreams. In this world of possibilities, nothing's as it seems. I'll rise up stronger, no holding back. My head held high, I'm on the right track. In the rhythm of courage, I'll find my song. In this dance of life, I will belong. I'll rise up stronger, no holding back. With my head held high, I'm on the right track. In the rhythm of courage, I'll find my song. In this dance of life, I will belong. So here's to the fighters, the ones who believe in the power of love and all that we weave. With unity and strength, we'll take a stand. In this journey together, we'll make our own land. I'll rise up stronger, no holding back. With my head held high, I'm on the right track. In the rhythm of courage, I'll find my song. In this dance of life, I will belong.